How to fix Telegram video not playing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot the issue from your phone settings instead of within the app itself. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Apps. From there, tap on Telegram from the list. At this point, tap on Storage. In the next step, tap on Clear Cache. Following this removes temporary files that may be preventing videos from playing correctly without deleting your chats or media. Once done, go back and tap on Permissions. From here, make sure storage or files and media is allowed for Telegram. At this stage, if this permission is turned off, videos may fail to download or play properly within your chats. Keep in mind, a weak or unstable internet connection can also stop videos from loading, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves it. After this, check if there's a pending Telegram update by going to the Play Store, since outdated versions can sometimes cause playback issues. Finally, restart your device once you've cleared the cache and confirmed permissions, then try playing the video again. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Telegram video not playing on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.